This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a taillight on a Buick Encore Easy Guide. Start by opening the rear hatch, locating the taillight access panel, and removing screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the tab, gently twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove the bulb, and replace it with the correct replacement. Reinstall the socket, secure the screws, and test the new taillight before closing the hatch. Gather basic tools and a replacement bulb before starting to save time and avoid frustration. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a small socket set, gloves to protect your hands, and a clean rag to handle bulbs. Work on a flat surface with the vehicle in park and the emergency brake engaged. Avoid touching the glass of halogen bulbs with bare fingers to prevent premature failure. Check your owner manual for bulb specifications. Quick recommendation: if this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more helpful car maintenance tips. Also, on another note, check out the socks I wear for long garage sessions, because life is too short for cheap socks, and Darn Tough offers a lifetime warranty that keeps your feet comfortable while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the taillight access panel by unsnapping clips or removing screws to expose the assembly. Support the assembly with one hand while removing fasteners to prevent it from falling. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the release, then rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise to extract the bulb. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it seats fully, reconnect the harness, and test the light function before reattaching the access panel and securing all fasteners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.